how to add an image in Base44. In this video, I'll show you how to add an image in Base44. So to get started, go ahead and open Base44, sign into your account, and then click on the apps button at the top left of your screen at the right side of the Base44 logo. Now in here, you'll be able to find all of the applications you have on Base44. Click on the application where you want to add an image to, click on this plus button which you'll find at the bottom left below the command prompt area, and then that will take you into your local drive. So on your local drive, go ahead and select the photo that you want to add into your application. So you just need to simply click on that photo and then click on that open button. And then in here, you need to incorporate the prompt that you want to use for this. So for example, you want to use this image as a logo. You can add that into the command prompt. So make sure that you are very specific with your command for Base44 to be able to add that correctly into your application. So once this is actually done, you'll be able to find this uploaded image as the new logo of my application, which you'll find at the top left of my screen. So it's found at the left side of the theme flow. And that is how you can basically add an image in Base44. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more videos like this.